How to delete Windows.old folder in Windows 11. So that is what I'm going to show you guys in this super quick and easy tutorial. So let's get into it. So the first thing that we need to do right here is to of course open our desktop, and then on the search bar just search for settings. Once you search for settings, click open. And then in this part, what we are going to do is to just go here on the left screen, and then go here on the system, and then on this part just look for storage. So once you find storage, just click that. After that, what we are going to do is to click temporary files, and then in this part just check all of the options right here. And then after that, once you do that, just click remove files right there. And then once you remove files right there, if you go back right here on the file explorer and then look for the windows.old folder, you won't now be able to see it because it has now been deleted. So that is basically it. That is how easy it is. That is how to delete windows.old folder in Windows 11.